The province of Biliran in Region 8 or Eastern Visayas. The province of Biliran has the municipality of Naval as its provincial capital. It is a part of the Visayas Island Group in Region 8 or Eastern Visayas region. It is composed of 0 cities, 8 municipalities, 132 barangays, and was founded on May 11, 1992. The total land area is 536.01 kilometers squared or 206.95 square miles. In the southeast of Biliran is Carigara Bay, northeast is the Samar Sea, across the sea is Samar, and west is the Visayan Sea, and also Masbate is to the northwest. Here are the 8 municipalities comprising the province of Biliran. We have the municipality of Almeria with 13 barangays, municipality of Biliran with 11 barangays, municipality of Kabukgayan with 13 barangays, municipality of Kaibiran with 17 barangays, municipality of Colaba with 17 barangays, municipality of Kawayan with 20 barangays, municipality of Maripipi with 15 barangays, and the municipality of Naval with 26 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities comprising the province of Biliran in Eastern Visayas or Region 8. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.